We are Santya, Samyukta, Lisa, Kabil and Carmen from JH304. Our group is focusing on the digestive system and its parts which are affected by diabetes. This video will further elaborate on the effects of diabetes on the organs from esophagus to stomach of the digestive system.
Type 2 diabetes is a condition where your body does not use insulin properly. This is called insulin resistance. At first, the pancreas makes extra insulin to make up for it. But over time, your pancreas isn't able to keep up and can't make enough insulin to keep your blood glucose levels normal. This leads to a consistently higher blood glucose level. When glucose builds up in the blood instead of going into cells, it can cause two problems. Right away, your cells will be starved for energy, and in the long run, high blood glucose levels will affect other organs. Type 2 diabetes is treated with lifestyle changes, oral medications like pills and insulin. In a healthy body, food is broken down into small pieces in the mouth. Then it travels down the esophagus with the aid of peristalsis, where there's frequent contractions and expansions, which pushes the food down to the stomach. When the food reaches the stomach, the hydrochloric acid further breaks down the food into small food particles. This then becomes chyme, which begins its journey to the duodenum through the pyloric sphincter, which is normally wide open.
Gastroparesis, also known as delayed gastric emptying, is a disorder in which the stomach takes too long to empty. When blood glucose levels fluctuate regularly, diabetes can damage the vagus nerve. This is the nerve that moves through the digestive tract. A damaged vagus nerve prevents the muscles in the stomach and intestine from functioning normally, preventing food from moving through the digestive system properly. The food hardens into solid masses, causing blockages and potential infections from bacteria. In our model, this can be seen where all the chyme, which is the colored liquid, collects in the stomach. In addition, the pyloric sphincter is inside the pyloric canal. However, we use clips representing the pyloric sphincter on the outside for our model instead of in the tube, as it stops the liquid flow well. When the stomach does not work properly, the absorption of blood glucose is also affected, and controlling blood sugar might become even more difficult. Symptoms and signs of gastroparesis include nausea, weight loss, abdominal discomfort, and bloating in the abdominal region. Most of the model demonstration for acid reflux is the same for gastroparesis. Therefore, we have decided to show acid reflux through illustrations instead. The delayed emptying of the stomach can also cause acid reflux. Acid reflux can have long-term complications, including narrowing of esophagus due to tissue scarring from the acid, difficulty swallowing, and increased risk in Barrett's esophagus, a condition in which the lining of the esophagus changes, increasing the possibility for esophageal cancer. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid backs up into the esophagus due to the closed pyloric sphincter. The pyloric sphincter is the valve which holds stomach contents until they are ready to flow down to the intestines. It will not open until the stomach acidity has reached a sufficiently high level. This is the body's way of ensuring that food is properly digested before it flows through the rest of the gastrointestinal system. However, if the stomach does not reach the proper level of acidity, the pyloric valve remains closed, and stomach contents will linger.